MeghalayaPost.news.
And work together to make this district and this beautiful state as crime free as possible, so that our children can go to school freely, they can enjoy their life freely.
Senior Superintendent of Police kari Bhoi VS Satur lapan pau bakum Heh Pulit kari Bhoi udon ni kata kejeng angnut bat kejeng trang ga bakrau ban pelong ya kari Bhoi district kum kawai na district balak ban Pynduh jaj iki Kam Sniew kenang baki pajba kini yo bandon hapdeng kejeng syong suk kejeng syong sain ya kane lapan pau haba keren siklap thai bor hadin kejeng telasi kali bapin khen an henen gemit hakwinan badru bakatanat pulit kalayo bandan kuna hadu sanlak tam baken thup ya kakuna balayo ban lum hakiwi kiwi ki benta jong kejeng telsi kali hari Bhoi ngidon kam ya Jingïatrei lang na borok kiliang ban Pynduh jaj iki Kam Sniew bakan thup na du ka kamera bor ya ki klung ki khna ka jing sel eben jiru benthei ki kam tu ki kam lute ki kam pne breu bat koi ki Kam Sniew ong ute Heh Pulit bat benra bro tang ka tanat pulit kanum la berle ye hende la da don hi ka Jingïatrei lang ngin la ban Pynduh jaj ya ki Kam Sniew ha ka ne ka district bat ha ka jelai bro koi ula benra shu ula benra bro dak bong de namar ka ne ka dau ba ka tanat pulit ka khot ka weri ki BDP Jingïatrei lang ha ka ne ka jing khanra kali namar har Bhoi district ki don hadu rus pak tam kisnong belada trekam sisya ki BDP haman la kisnong ngin la lut banrat dengkong hi Kam Sniew namar wat ya ki Kam Sniew ki berit ru ngila banyo jingtip haba trelang ki BDP bat ki noilam kisnong ula banrap shushu.
We all want the VDPs to be part of our enforcement drives also, because see, we have around 650 villages in this district, 650 to 700 roughly, and every VDP has around 15 to 20 members. So that brings the count to around 10 to 12,000 persons. So we are trying very hard to constitute VDPs in each and every village of our district, so that we have around 10 to 12,000 boys and girls who will actually become our eyes and ears. We have seen in the past that a lot of children have gone missing in various parts of the state, some on their own, some were kidnapped also. Few murder cases were also reported. So if we have these VTP friends in every village, we take it as a very strong mechanism to prevent crimes in future. So that is the whole thing, and the state government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Home Minister Sir, even the Chief Secretary Sir, DGP Ma'am, they are very positive about that this idea, and serious consideration is going on to provide certain equipment to our VDP friends, as well as some monetary allowance to boost their morale. So it's a work in progress, and we believe that with VDPs in our assistance, we'll be much better placed to prevent crimes, especially the road traffic accidents, and also during investigation of the cases. The whole idea is to assign a group of 5 to 10 households to each VDP member, so that he can keep watch on those households, and if there is any problem, anyone troubling a child, or maybe stalking a child, or harassing him or her in the school or college or in the village. So these small things which generally go unreported, that information also comes to us, so that we can improve the visibility of police force in those villages through our regular patrolling and all. So we would like to thank our VDP friends here. They have been standing with us since around 5 p.m. today. It's already almost 10. So last 5 hours they have been working with us. So we thank them from the bottom of our hearts. And at the same time, I appeal to all our friends who are engaging with us on social media platforms, various platforms. Give us suggestions to further improve any aspect of policing which you feel should be improved, and constructive criticism is also welcome. We take your comments very seriously. We work on them. Some comments can be implemented immediately. Some comments are policy level decisions, so it takes some time. But rest assured, we go through each and every comment you post on our social media platforms, various media channels and all, and we work on it. So ultimately, let us collaborate and work together to make this district and this beautiful state as crime free as possible, so that our children can go to school freely, they can enjoy their life freely without being scared or anything like that. So thank you so much again to our VDP fans.
MeghalayaPost.news.